So Dara, how are you feeling?
Actually excited. I'm not at all nervous.
So Devang, how are you feeling? Excited?
Yes,
धक धक हो रहा है?
धक धक तो बहुत हो रहा है.
I didn't imagine this will turn out this pretty. It has turned out way too pretty. Wow.
I just found her very cute and beautiful, and I was like interested in her, and I wanted to know her more. So I took the step कि चलो यार let's start talking, and then फिर देखते हैं क्या होता है.
तो माई बॉन्ड विद माई सिस्टर इज़ आई थिंक मेरा सबसे बेस्ट बॉन्ड है वो इन टर्म्स ऑफ एनी रिलेशनशिप. लाइक शी इज़ द पर्सन जो मैं जिसके पास जाता हूँ जब मेरे पास कोई और नहीं बचता कि मेरे पास आखिरी मुझे एक सुनना है किसी का कि मेरे को हाँ लेफ़्ट या तो राइट बताना है. 10 लोगों का सुनूँ लेकिन जो 11th और फर्स्ट पर्सन है मेरे लिए वो वही है.
Oh, my and my brother's bond. Okay, so in the like when we were kids, we used to fight a lot, and he was so immature. But when Dhara came, oh my God, that banda changed like anything. Okay, he literally he became from a boy to a guy, a man, like a man, gentleman behavior देने लग गए. And then I mean he got upgraded or evolved. हाँ, that would be a correct term.
એટલે બહુ હકડે બેલા each and પાછું ના મેડ ફોર ઈચ અધર આટલા મસ્ત કપલ અને મુજબ બહુ બ્લેસિંગ્સ અને આઈ એમ સો હેપી કે મુકે દેવાંગ જેવડો છોકરો મળ્યો. Superb.
Looking so pretty, so pretty. मेरी छोटी सी गुड़िया.
તો હું લગે તો સુનો થયો દોસા જુગર પાછું નકડી નન્ની પરી આવે
दिल है मुझे धड़कन है.
असांजे घर जो मतलब पाछू ना एकदम चुलबुली असांजे घर में रौनक होती ज बी पण मूंखे ईअं लॻे थो घरे आऊं वञा ज न पाछी मतलब एकलो घर खाली थिए वञे थो.
बेसिकली मेरे घर पे ऐसा है कि मैक्सिमम टाइम्स मैं और डैड बाहर ही रहते हैं. मेरी मॉम घर पे होती है मैक्सिमम टाइम्स और मेरी बहन भी शी इज़ वर्किंग तो शी इज़ आउट. तो कोई भी घर पे आता है फॉर एग्जांपल आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ. तो मैं जब भी घर पे आता हूँ तो सबसे पहले मैं अपने बैग वगैरह रख के एक ही चीज़ रहता है कि धरा घर पे है कि नहीं है. अगर धरा होती है तो मैं फटाफट उसके रूम में जाता हूँ 10-15 मिनट बैठता हूँ उसके साथ फिर मैं अपने काम में लग जाता हूँ ऑफिस. तो मेरा वही है कि अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम से जब मैं घर पे जाऊँगा तो रूम खोलूँगा तो वो नहीं होगी तब थोड़ा हिट होगा लेकिन ठीक है कोई नहीं.
कहते कहते रह गया अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं. अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं.
बदरिया बूंदन बूंदन बरसे मोतिन बरसे आई बदरिया बूंदन बूंदन आई बदरिया बूंदन बूंदन बरसे मोतिन बरसे दिल से दिल मिल जाए खुलियाए खुलती जाए दिल से दिल मिल जाए दिल से दिल मिल जाए खुलियाए खुलती जाए दिल से दिल मिल जाए
So this morning he wrote a letter to you. So
Yeah.
about that, what do you want to say about that letter?
Suddenly now he's become like a Pookie husband. So he did that also, and he did those promises also. And I really, really did not expect this from him. But मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. I started crying. अच्छा हाँ. One more letter.
Yeah. The final one.
Hold. To my lovely wifey, soon to be, this is the day we had been dreaming about since last few years. And today we have successfully reached to our destination of a lifelong and forever journey. Before we enter into our lifelong journey of togetherness, I wanted to express my feelings to you, baby. When I say I love you more than, I don't mean that I love you more than you do, but I love you more than the bad days ahead of us. I love you more than the fight we will ever have. I love you more than any amount of distance keeping us apart. I love you more than any obstacle coming between us. I love you more than anything. So from now, whenever I say I love you more, I just don't say it out of habit. I say it as a reminder to you of this day and all the promises. You're the bestest thing that has ever happened to me, my darling and beautiful wife. I adore you and will always adore you from the rest of my life. This is the sweetest. I'm so lucky to have you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. The most and the best thing that I like about her is that she never gives up in a relationship, whether it's with our any relationship, and especially our relationship. She's very empathetic and she's very lovable. So that and she is very giving. Her nature is very giving. So I have experienced a lot of love from her, and whether it was we said communicated I love you or not, but I still experienced that. So that's something that I like the most about her.
बातें तेरी मेरी जो हुई शुरू तो बात बन गई, ख्वाबों से भरी फिर है हमारी रात बन गई. आ चले कहीं वादियों में हम, तारों को सुनाए दास्तां. जब से हम मिले एक दूजे से, ना रहा जहां से वास्ता. तू इश्क है.
Let's see how it goes. But then honestly, during the Fedas also, it was very, very, very dreamy. The surprise that she gave to me with the dance performance, that was also like on another level. So अच्छा ही लग रहा है अभी तो.
तू इश्क है, तू सुकून है मेरा, मैं चांद तू आसमां. तू ही सफर हम सफर, तू मेरा, तू जश्न दिल का हुआ.
One commitment or maybe one promise you want to give to each other for the rest of your life?
I've already given her 7 promises for the rest of her life.
He did this very cute thing. He gave me 7 promises before 7 vachans. Yeah, so he's given me a promise. I'll give one. I'll continue to be empathetic and I'll never give up on us.
डरते थे तुम हाँ पास होने से मेरे, देखो मगर किस्मत में है साथ फेरे. शरारतें तेरी वो प्यारी प्यारी, जाऊं तुम पे मैं वारी वारी. आ चले कहीं से ना रहा जहां से वास्ता.
I don't know about qualities, but I feel like I would call him a boy with a golden heart. Like, he's genuinely so pure. Usually, boyfriends and girlfriends would use red hearts. I use a white heart for him because that is what I feel about his love. It's really unconditional.
तू इश्क है, तू सुकून है मेरा, मैं चांद तू आसमां, तू ही सफर हम सफर तू मेरा, तू जश्न दिल का हुआ. तू इश्क